Hello and welcome friends. Myself Ujjwal and today's topic is anonymous classes in Java. So let's first discuss the definition and some points about anonymous classes to get familiar with it. So definition. A class can contain another class known as nested class. It's possible to create a nested class without giving any name. A nested class that doesn't have any name is known as an anonymous class. Anonymous classes usually extends subclasses or implement interfaces. I have elaborated this definition in following points. First one is anonymous classes extends the concept of nested classes. Means anonymous classes are studied in the nested classes. Along with nested top level classes and inner classes, there is one more type called anonymous classes. Second is anonymous means no name. The class without name is called as anonymous classes. Third, anonymous classes are called within the expressions. It is compulsory or say mandatory to call the anonymous classes within the curly brackets or functions like this. Fourth one is constructor cannot be created. As there is no name, so constructor cannot be created. Fifth one is anonymous class extends abstract classes. Anonymous class implements interfaces. We will see this during program demonstration. Sixth one is anonymous class basically support interface inheritance. As the anonymous class extends the abstract classes or interfaces, it support inheritance. Seventh is we can create the object of anonymous classes. One important note, anonymous classes ends with colon. So keep this in mind as a syntax to declare the classes. So let's see the program now. Here first, I have created an abstract class reward, which has one static integer type variable. Next is one abstract method called points. There is one more class, bonus points, which have one method, create anonymous class. I have named it as like this just for explanation. It is not the part of syntax. We can change the name of the method. So you can see we can change the name of the method. So the create anonymous class contains one integer type variable x, and here is the anonymous class which is extending the class reward. Here we we not created the object, but we continued with the brackets and give one method inside it. As we know, reward is abstract class and we cannot instantiate. It means object of abstract class cannot be instantiated, but this is possible through anonymous classes. Here we have created the object of reward R1 and extended the class with the curly brackets. The extended class has no name as we can see here. Here is no name. We directly starts from brackets. So now inside this I have the abstract method points, which is declared in the reward class. You can see the abstract method points, which is declared in the reward class, is implemented here. It is mandatory to implement all the methods of abstract classes in the inherited classes. The method is adding, here the method is adding 5 points to the existing points. As you can see, points plus x. Here the anonymous class is ended with the colon. Yeah, you can see here the anonymous class is ended with the colon. So we have successfully inherited and implemented the method without being using extend keyword. So this part is anonymous class. I repeat, here we have created one object of reward, which is abstract class. Here we have not given any name. We just continued with the curly braces. Inside it, we have one method called points, which is the method of reward class. Here I have implemented the point method, and with the help of colon, I have terminated the anonymous class. So anonymous class helps to extend the class without using keyword extend. Remember the point. Here r1.points is written to call the object of anonymous class. Now the main class is there. Which is creating the object of bonus point, and the method is being called by the object. So now let's run the code. So as you can see, the bonus point is now 5. Initially it was 0 and now the bonus point is 5. This is what we called anonymous class, extended the classes. Now for anonymous classes, implements interface. We have seen the point number 5, which I have told that I will demonstrate these points in the demonstration. So this program which we have seen is of anonymous class which extends classes. Here the abstract class is extended by the anonymous class. So now we will see about the anonymous classes which extends interfaces. We just have to do small changes. You can see here I have just replaced the abstract class with interface and rest all is same. So like this, we can extend and implements the classes and interfaces with anonymous class. Rest all the code is same. So let's run this program too. As you can see, initially the points was 0 and now the point is 4. So thank you. This much for this video. I will bring more such concepts in future. So till then, please subscribe my channel and do like if you enjoyed the content. Thank you.